So it's very common for a person who's undergoing chemotherapy to have anemia and to have their platelets really go down. And this is the reason. Kasi pag nagkikimo ka, it kills those cells that are actively dividing. So the most actively dividing part of your body are actually your bone marrow. So it targets the bone marrow, makes your white blood cells, your red blood cells, and even your platelets go down. So a lot of people have been asking me, what can they do if this happens? So if your platelet is down, you might want to try papaya leaves, tawa-tawa. And what you can do is that you boil them, put there as many as you can, drink them as many as you can too. So 3 times a day, 4 times a day, it doesn't matter as long as you drink them as many as you can. Now, if you have anemia, what you can do is you can juice beetroot because they're rich in iron. Liver is also important, and important thing about iron is that you have to make sure that this iron get absorbed better in the presence of an acidic medium. And the most important is vitamin C. Okay, that's one thing you can do. Another is if your white blood cells are down, you can take echinacea tea. Those are very important plants. So I hope that this video is able to help you, especially those who are undergoing chemotherapy, who had the side effect of chemotherapy. And I hope you all get better soon, because it's really painful for someone, for you or for someone that you love, to have undergone this type of treatment. Thank you.